Hello viewers. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best chair covers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Vailge Patio Chair Covers. If you have chairs out on your patio and want to keep them protected from the elements overnight, you may want to invest in a patio chair cover. There are loads of different picks for patio chair covers, including an offering from Amazon's own brand Amazon Basics, but for a mix between value and quality, my crown goes to the Vailge line of patio chair covers. Made from 100% heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric, this cover is designed through and through to protect your outdoor chairs from the sun, dirt, rain, and even snow. The Oxford fabric includes an added UV-stabilized and water-resistant coating to prevent water from seeping through the cover. To fit this to your chair, simply drape it over and tighten it with an elastic hem cord, allowing you to fasten to the right tightness to ensure a seamless fit. The large padded handles make removal of the cover super easy, whilst air vents on the side, see the above picture, reduce condensation inside and wind lofting by letting moist air escape freely. This is a super affordable way to keep your outdoor chairs protected from the elements. So, if you are running out of space in your house, garage, or shed to hide away your patio chairs, this cover will allow you to leave them out indefinitely. Number 2. Our second best pick is Easygoing Partial Armchair Slipcover. Another product from the famed Easygoing, this partial slipcover is perfect if you have an armchair that is too big for most full slipcovers, or you only want a temporary fixture that doesn't cover your precious decor. With its elegant, quilted texture and thick microfiber, this cover is super comfortable, perfect if you're having a one-off dinner by the TV and don't want to ruin your beautiful upholstery. This cover is reversible, so if you get one side dirty or if you're getting bored of the main color, flip it over like a duvet to change up the scenery. Customers love that this cover is soft but water resistant. Don't confuse that with waterproof, though, as, of course, if you drench this with water, chances are your chair is going to get wet. But, reviewers comment how they can easily wipe off dog pee. This form factor makes it super easy to remove and stick in the wash, perfect if you have pets. This easygoing product is a little more expensive than others on this, bearing in mind that this isn't a full chair cover. However, for the quality soft material and the convenience of taking it on and off easily, this is certainly worth considering. Number 3. Our third best pick is Melaluxe Office Chair Cover. If you have an office chair you're scared of getting dirty, you may find an office chair cover useful. As we're all working at home, we've been using our own office chairs more than ever before, and there's bound to be some nasty wear and tear from extended home use. This is where the Melaluxe office chair covers come in, protecting your office chair from wear, stains, spillages, and pesky pets and children. Made from a stretch microfiber spandex fabric, the Melaluxe is not only super soft and comfortable but also very durable and versatile. Installation is simple. Just remove the armrests and slide the cover on them. Adjust the elastic bands and zippers to achieve the perfect fit to guarantee the good, clean look you need from a smart office chair. This office chair cover comes in a wide variety of colors, including black, as pictured above, coffee, dark gray, lake blue, light purple, and even an ugly rose color. So much to choose from. This cover is also machine washable, so if it gets dirty, simply pop it into your washing machine, and it'll be as good as new. This office chair cover is a super affordable way to protect or rejuvenate an office chair. If you're in the market for a comfortable and cheap cover for your computer chair, look no further than the Melaluxe office chair cover. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BUYUE Fast Installation Dining Chair Covers. If you've got a dining or sitting chair that you don't want to entirely cover, for example, if your backrest is super fancy, perhaps this seat cover from BUYUE is the one you need. With a classic jacquard design, this looks stylish and traditional. It's super simple to install this cover with no need to remove chair seats at all. Just stretch the cover around the chair and pull down. Made from 92% polyester and 8% spandex, the elastic band helps keep the cover on the seat. They are made of a material that doesn't slip off of the edges of the seats and is very sturdy and stretchy. This fabric is impressive in both how easy it is to clean, how sturdy it is, and easy to clean. This cover is also fairly water resistant, great for accidental spills. However, this isn't the same as waterproof, and of course, if you drench your seat, you're in for a bad day anyhow. As with the others on this list, the BUYUE comes in a wide selection of colors to choose from. On the roster is beige, black, brown, burgundy, gray, navy blue, ochre, sky blue. To care for these covers, they are machine washable and hand washable. These covers are super affordable. If you're looking for some affordable partial seat covers, the BUYUE dining chair stretch seat covers are a great option. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is FORCHEER Office Chair 2-Piece Cover. Whilst the previous pick on this list was perfect for office chairs that were one whole piece or treated itself as one piece. But, if your office chair is smaller and in two distinctive, separate pieces, the FORCHEER 2-Piece Office Chair Cover may be the right product for you. The water-resistant jacquard fabric protects your office chair from unexpected stains, whilst the polyester blend makes the cover super soft and comfortable. This package includes one backrest cover to stretch off of the backrest of your office chair and one chair seat cover, which can be installed by removing the armrests and stretching it over the seat. The chair cover comes in a few interesting colors. First up is their pink, as pictured above. They've got a bog-standard black, a gray, and a strange green jacquard pattern. These are really affordable. In fact, if you go for the ugly green jacquard, you can bag one of these covers. What a bargain! If you're in the market for a way to spruce up your two-piece office chair, the FORCHEER Office Chair Cover is a perfect way to go about doing just that. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.